It's here. It's here. But I'm not opening it until, oh wait just a second to make sure none of my subscribers are on here. I did say spoiler alert. I don't want to spoil anyone's surprise, but my subscription box is here. The AmazeBox. Oh, I need to turn around so y'all can see. Dang, sorry. Hang on. Hey, Christy. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to turn this around. Bam. Okay, now you can read it. Look. The AmazeBox. Okay, so if you are a subscriber, tune out. If you don't have your box yet, turn me off because you do not want you don't want your surprise to be ruined because it's so much fun. Oh my God. Okay, wait till you see this, you guys. Who has a subscription box? I've never done one aside from the food. I did the food one, but I've never done like a fun beauty one. This is so much fun. Okay, you ready for this? It is gorgeous. I've already peeked. I already peeked because I had to know what was in here. Are you ready? If you're a subscriber and you haven't gotten it, tune out now. I don't want to ruin your surprise. This is so cool because every single month you can subscribe and every month you're going to get a box and it's going to have a lot of goodies from LimeLife in it. So let me show you guys what we got this month. So all the subscribers for the month of June are already over. That's done. On the 3rd of July, so the first Wednesday of every month, they're going to let new subscribers sign up. It's a subscription box, so you have to have a cutoff point, right? So July the 3rd. So if this is interesting to you, you might want to check it out. And you better check it out soon because we can only have 2,000 subscribers each month for now because it was huge. It was bigger than we thought. They sold out the first time in no time. The second time, under 10 minutes, we sold out. And so there's a huge demand for it. So you're going to see why now. You ready? You ready? You ready? Okay. Ta-da! Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. Okay. Amaze yourself, you guys. Who would want to get this every single month? So here's the deal. The subscription box exceeds the value of the box. The monthly fee for the box. So the value exceeds the monthly fee for the box. You can't beat that. So what you're going to get is, I'm going to keep saying this. If you haven't gotten your subscription box, turn away. I don't want to ruin your surprise. So first of all, you're going to get a little card that says what's inside, but I'm not going to show you that yet, okay? This is your June AmazeBox from LimeLife by Alcone, and it's going to have a lot of goodies. So what you can count on every month with this is one full-size product, okay? Then you're going to get other things like travel size things or samples. That way you get to try a few products that maybe you wanted to try but you hadn't bought the full size, and so you're going to get an opportunity to try them in sample sizes or travel sizes to learn how much you love it so that you can then start getting it all the time. Okay, in this particular box, the very first one, there's a quiz, really cool. It says, every day should feel like summer Friday, amaze yourself. And there's a quiz on the back to learn a little bit more about yourself. So just something fun to do, right? And then look how pretty. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Oh, there's something else in there too. What is this? Oh, it's a little card. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Mark Twain. Okay, love it. Open it up. Pretty peach paper. What is the full-size product this month? Do you want to know? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, the full-size product is 40 Cure. Now, if you all have followed me for a while, you know my husband's a surgeon. He swears by 40 Cure. He used to get the corners of his fingers, the cuticles, used to crack and bleed. In 3 years, it has not happened to him because he uses 40 Cure. This is for severely cracked and dry winter skin. Just really dry skin, really cracked. It's 40 Cure. Think of curing something, and it's super good for your skin. So you get this. Y'all, this is a $38 value. Yep. Okay. The other thing is, my favorite, Sotox. Y'all know how much I love Sotox. I cannot live without my Sotox and One Drop Wonder combo. So if you haven't tried it, this month's box has it in a travel size. And what happens is you try it, you fall in love with it, you're going to buy your own size, and then you're going to use this to refill to take on trips. Sotox, like Botox, firming, lightening, brightening, tightening, all that good stuff. And then you're going to get in this one. Well, okay, this is what you got in the June one. You won't get this next month, so you're not actually going to get this, but this is just what came. Okay, this is an ELC, an Enduring Lip Color, in the shade Macaroon, and I think they chose Macaroon because it goes with everybody's skin tone. It's awesome. So you get to try one of our ELCs. All right, y'all, listen. This is pretty cool, okay? Because you got the 40 Cure, which is a $38 value, and then you got the Sotox, which is a big value, but it's in travel size, and you got a Macaroon, and we know our ELCs are $20, so this is just like half the size. I mean, hello, free. This was free in your AmazeBox this month. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Did I miss anything? What is that? Hang on. Oh, it's little sunglasses. It's a sticker with sunglasses on it. Okay, that's cute too. Hang on. Okay, that's it. So one full-size product, a travel size, a mini, little sunglasses, a sweet little saying by Mark Twain. You got a cute little quiz that you can learn more about yourself and what's inside your AmazeBox. Look at that. Isn't that great? And it tells a little bit about the product. So I'm telling you, you want to do this. You need the surprise every month. You are worth it. And the cost of this is $38. The 40 Cure is $38, y'all. You're getting free product, okay? The value will always be, what did we say the value was? Oh crap. The value, well, it always will exceed the monthly cost, always, okay? I think it's gonna be between $50 and $100. Hi, Crystal. I think it's between $50 and $100 and you're paying $38. So, I mean, really. Okay, so you can't get this because it's sold out, but on July the 3rd, they're gonna open up another 2,000 subscribers, and here's what I can tell you. Be sitting at your computer, be logged on to your account. You have to make an account with LimeLife with me as your beauty guide, if I'm your beauty guide. If you don't have a beauty guide, I'd love to be your beauty guide. And you're gonna be sitting there, and as soon as it goes live, I'm gonna send you a text message because you're gonna sign up to get my text message. 50 to 100. Thank you, Crystal. So $50 to $100 for 38 bucks. Hello? Okay, you know that you can get better and better and better. So if you're interested, you need to let me know, get on my list for getting text messages, and let's get you set up for your AmazeBox for July, okay? Because it's gonna be some good stuff. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Oh, I have to turn this thing off. Okay, bye.